Hi everyone, welcome back to Canva, and in this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can create animated and video pins for your Pinterest. Alright, so this is going to be a three-part video. The first one I'll talk about doing the animation. Second will be the use of a sticker, and lastly the use of your own videos. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. So I'm gonna pull up a template right here that we can use as an example. So let's just say I'm gonna use one second, let me just pull up something really neat, simple and neat. Hang on. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Okay, so let's just say, for example, this is your pin and this is good to go already. So you go to downloads, and then instead of downloading it as a regular PNG file or an image file, you go down to animation. Okay, animation option is only available if you have the Canva Pro account, which is the paid one. So you click in that, and make sure that your file format is an MP4, because Pinterest only accepts image file and video file. So GIF are not included. We don't want that, so make sure it's set, the file format is set to MP4. Okay, now before you complete the download, you choose an animation style you want it to do. For example, this one, fade, and then there goes pan, block, rise, breathe, slide, and a simple one. The simple one can be used if you have multiple pages. Okay, let me show you how it will look like. Okay, so let me just get out of my downloads and let me create a copy of this. Let's just say I need like around 6 pages. So I have that, so that's black, and then let me just change this into pink, black, this one into pink, and pink. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my downloads and go back to animation. Okay, then this time I'm gonna use simple and change it and make sure my timing isn't fast. Look how this will look like. Okay, it looks like your text is flashing, but it's just that it's viewing the multiple pages. So since I did an alternate colors, when you do the timing and a fast mode, then it looks like the text is flashing. This is a great way to attract audiences on your Pinterest, because Pinterest is all about visual, and if they say something flashing like, oh okay, what's this? See, so you get more clicks. Alright, so we're done with animation. Now let's go to stickers. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this off. Okay, this time let me just, okay. One second, let me look for a good template as an example. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Alright, so it says here 20 ways to wash your face. Okay, so let's go to stickers. Okay, so that's under elements. You scroll down, there goes your stickers. They're all so cute. So they're like flashing, they're like moving. So a great element for attraction. So let me just choose the sticker that I really like the most. Okay, 1 second, where is that? Yeah, you see there's a heart right there. They're all cute. There's stars flashing. Okay, where's that sticker that I want to use? Because I wanted to use this sticker, here we go, to give an emphasis to my title. So let's just say 20 ways. So I'm gonna adjust this one and put it right there, 20 ways. Okay, so if you will view now your Pinterest, the sticker gives more emphasis to the word 20 ways. Okay, so let's view that. Right, there you go. So once you're done, ready with this, all you have to do is just download it. You don't need to have the Canva Pro account. Just download it as a regular video. So click on download and then scroll right down. There you go. The one that says video beta, excellent beta, but is already available for everyone. You don't need a Canva Pro account. And this downloads as an MP4. The file format is an MP4. Okay, so that's another way. So now lastly, let's talk about the video pins. The video pins is my favorite because you'll be able to use your own video. Let's say, for example, you're pinning about how your trip went in ballet or Disneyland. So you wanted to put in videos that resonates with your content, or that is related with your content, and that's a great way to attract audience on Pinterest. So this time, all you have to do is just give me 1 second. Let me just take this off. Okay. So I'm gonna delete that and change this one to how to make a video pin. Hashtag Canva tip. Okay, so right here is your image and it's a grid, so I'm gonna delete that. So all you have to just bring in your own video to upload. So you can see here, upload an image or video. So you've got tab for images and you've got videos. I don't have a good video example that we can use. So instead of uploading my video, I'm going to use a stock video for this recording. So here goes there goes your stock photos and here's your stock video. So it's like a stock photo but video. So let's click on that. Okay, so they are categorized. There's like aerial shots, animals, backgrounds, beach. So let's just say, for example, I'm gonna do second. There's okay here, and I'll go with this one. Okay. So you want to delete that and use the video. Okay, so what's amazing is that you can design your pin properly because you will be able to adjust the size and rescale your video. So you can do that. Drag it like that. Okay, I'm gonna bring it to the back. There. Look how the video plays. And you can also crop it. Okay, whichever view you'd like and adjust it properly. Okay, so there. And let's view that one. Okay, my internet is so slow, but let me give you an example of what I did. Hang on 1 second. Where's my files? Okay, here. Okay, this is an example of a video pin that I did. I hope that plays on your end. Okay, I think it's not playing. Hang on. Okay, yeah, I think it's not playing. But it does looks like this, so let me just show you. Okay, how is it? My internet is so slow. Okay. So So yeah, there goes the video. You can resize it and design your pin accordingly. Like maybe you can do your text on top of it, or anywhere that you or in any style that you'd like your pin to look like. Alright, so once you're done, go ahead and download it. This time you're gonna download it again as a regular video MP4 file. So everyone has an access to this. Again, you don't need to have the Canva Pro or the paid subscription to have this feature. Alright, well, I hope that helps. Let us know if you have questions. That's all for this recording. Thanks.